So you're like, I really want to use APK mods, but will my account get banned? I don't know.
Don't worry so much.
Yes, in theory you can get banned for using APK mods, but only in online games that require the internet to work. In any game that doesn't require an internet connection to work correctly,
you need not worry.
Because in those cases the game is 100% processed and run on your device, and realistically nobody cares what you do there. However, in online games where you play with other players, those games are called services, and they have a terms of service that says you can't cheat. So if you do and they find out, they have every right to ban you. And it absolutely does happen, especially in the most popular mobile games, and very especially in shooters.
But sir, how great is the risk of me getting banned?
Well, that really depends. Seeing most APK mods that you find randomly on the internet are fake anyways, as 96% of all APK mods are fake. The risk for those is zero, as they're not really modded APKs. But if you use legitimate modded APKs, such as the ones found on hackerbot.net, then it really depends on a few factors. Two things that can get you banned using a modded APK. One, your mod is outdated. Two, your mod is detected. So you need to always make sure to download only the latest version and check the comments for detection before installing anything. On top of that, I would recommend using an emulator to test as well. And only move on to using modded APKs on your main device once that clears.
But sir, how can I find legitimate modded APKs that are the latest version for my game?
It's not that difficult. Simply subscribe to the channel and like the video.
Google Hackerbot, go to hackerbot.net, and to find out whether there are any legitimate developers working on your game, simply enter the name of your game. If it doesn't work without the internet, it's an online game, else it's an offline game. If there's any pew-pew, it's a shooter, else it's an other. Start a tool, and the tool will show you exactly what kinds of mods are possible in your game. Everything else is fake.
No matter what random people on the internet claim.
Which goes mostly for unlimited money in online games. In 99.9% of cases, they are fake.
You can either trust me on that, or you can try to download them and find out yourself.
To see whether legitimate developers are working on your game, go to Get Cheats, Android, Mod, Start a Scan, and if there are any legitimate developers that are making mods for your game, you'll find them below. Now, as to how to look for the latest version, you need to know the actual version of your game. So for example, 2.5. So you would just add 2.5 here at the end and search for that. You can find the latest version or the version that is installed on your device by going to your settings and apps and checking the app for its built version. If you install an outdated APK, then there is a chance of you getting banned. Other measures that you can take to avoid getting banned if you're using a modded APK, especially in online games, is just don't be toxic. Be nice. Don't try to dominate other players or make them feel bad. Don't flame them in chat. And just generally being a nice person will minimize the risk of them reporting you. Also, not cheating obviously might help as well. Just pretend to be a good player instead of a cheater. Turns out being nice is nice. So in conclusion, what I personally would do is I would always only run modded APKs on emulators. I would never actually run them on a physical device. I would always use a secondary account to test at least. If the secondary account doesn't get banned, I might consider moving up to my primary gaming account. And that way you have the greatest chances of not getting banned. But there are no guarantees. If you use modded APKs in online games, there's always a chance you're getting banned. That's just part of the game. If this has helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more knowledge.
And please leave a comment down below and tell me what kinds of games do you want to mod. Bye bye.